Here I've got Meizu 16th, and let me show you how to hide or show caller ID on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon and click on the settings. Now go to more, and now you will notice caller ID. Just mark it, click on caller ID, and you can either hide or show number. You can also stay with network default, but all you have to do is to pick the preferred option, for example hide number, mark it, and as you can see, now it is hidden. So as you can see, hide my number and outgoing calls. You can show it as well, just mark it and then it will always be shown. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.